Hello, good evening, and today we will cover Node Express. And in Node Express, we are going to set up Express server as well as we are going to introduce middleware. But before introducing these topics, I haven't covered some topics yesterday, so let's cover first, and then we will go to Node Express and other topics like middleware. So let me share first my screen. Yes, this is my screen. Think it is visible. Yes. So next step is go to our code editor. This is the code where we can write files and we can download as a PDF. So okay, so this is our simple project. Suppose in this project, it is a project like when we enter the title and enter the some tags, then it will create a new PDF from the backend and serves to download. So suppose we give the input like introduction.pdf, introduction, this is our title, and hey, I am Shivam and working as a React.js intern. So submit, and I can download the PDF which I have created now. So yes, this the PDF name is introduction.pdf, and open it. Yes, hey, I am Shivam and working as a React JS intern. So yes, this small code represent how we can create, like we can just take a input and how we can create the PDF. Just it uses PDF kit and stream methods in the node. Okay, so next we are going to introduce what is Express. Yes, what is Express? Routing and middleware. Routing and middleware. So clean all the code from here and stop the server. Clean this also. And now we are going to learn about the routing and the Express. Then Express is a framework over the node, and over the node I can say also over the HTTP method, means with the help of the Express we can make a server in a second. We can say in a second, not in a second, means quickly we can make server quickly. So let's see how we can make web server quickly with the help of Express. Suppose we have, because it is uh, a library, a framework, means I just downloaded, we can say, we can see in the packet.json file. Yes, this is Express. So I can just write a variable Express equals to import express express and just write a code like invoked express. So express, here I invoke the express, and now I am able to make a server, a web server here. App dot, we can use or we can use get appropriate method like get, and give the path, comma, uh, callback function have two parameter, request and response, and this is also, we have a response dot send. We can send any type of file here, any type of things like text, HTML, anything we can send. Here I want only welcome message, welcome to our server, suppose. So, and next we will go to bind this server on the port, that is app dot listen, and we are going to give the port 3000, and also we can give the just callback function and handle the errors if for the reason, any reason our server is not started, then it gives the information about that error. So first console dot log and error. If error, okay, other is result, we can pass or not, no need pass. Why it is showing error, console dot log. Mm, 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 mm. What is this? Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so this is if, okay, so yeah, a little bit confused. So here, and if not error, then we can log server is running. We can give port number also at 3000 port. So start the project. Now we are going to npm start by hitting this command, and now we can see server is running at 3000 port, and this is nodemon, which is automatically restart when we change anything in the code. So let's see on the browser side, go to the browser and just clean this one and only give the slash. Yes, welcome to our server. Then we can say this is the routing part, simple routing. We have a different routing like app.get, app.post, delete, put, and there are so many others routing we can provide, and we can handle that routing from the browser. We also have a dynamic routing like suppose we have here check and slash user id. So we can handle this one by mm, by putting this into we are going to make a dynamic user id. So this is the url. So we can just fetch const param, yeah, or id, just we can say id, and it is from request dot params params, and this gives the object, and this will be key, and this will be value. No, this will be key and attached to the value which we will provide from the browser side. So okay, now we are going to search slash check slash one. What will be happen here? Yes, one. Here you can see one. One, welcome to our server. You can also give any name, Shivam. Normally, yes, Shivam, welcome to our server. So we can handle dynamic routing like this. We can also handle like star. We can give the star, and we can handle the regex here. So this type of routing, means handle express, and we can set up our server in a just second, in a just simple quick. So express is very useful to set up all the things over the http in the node. So next is middleware. Middleware is not just a function which takes some request first, and according to the condition it will pass the things, like it can be error, it can be just authentication process, anything will be. So we can say here like app dot use. Here suppose we have a rec, means request response, and it will take one more parameter like next. It is the callback function, next function. Okay, so here just I want to log it, request dot dot param dot user id. Suppose I want to use, okay. Oh, just a minute. This is the function, and now console this one, and next function will call here next. Then it will pass from here to here. If we are not going to give the next, then it will not pass next step. So we can check here in the console undefined request params user id. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we just stop this. What happens? Welcome to server. What 25? Okay, so suppose. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, okay. Now, okay. This will stop the things because here we are not respond anything from this middleware, and it could not pass a next step and stop the request. And when I just remove the comment, then it will pass. Okay, so this is the middleware. There are different type of middleware, like we have a JSON, we have body parser. uh, Sorry, this type of the things are different, and we have a middleware like we can search express routing using middleware. There are many middleware, but middleware is just type of a function used. Yes, so we can achieve our functionality. Thank you.